Hey there, guys, it's the Monkey Motor, and today, oh hey, what? I told you I was gonna do this, huh? All right, what's up, you butthole munchers? So today, what we're gonna do is, well, first off, if you see right there behind me, whatever way you're gonna look at it, I got my truck back. All right, so yeah, it's still like a booty hole, but like mine. So you can say it's my butthole. But that's like super weird, so we're not gonna say that. So like, I got my truck back. I got it all fixed up, so it's all running. Got brand new brakes, calipers, all that, rotors, and all that good stuff. So it's all clean in there. And back here, and then I got some new transmission parts, all that good stuff. So the truck, it drives real good. But so I got my truck right. I got the truck back. We need to start doing mods to it, make more videos about it. So what we're gonna do, our first mod, is not under the hood. It's not inside. It's not door handles. It's not wheels and tires. It's not tail lights or bumper, or the bed. But our first mod is going to be with this. We are going to have our very own chrome exhaust tip. So I want you guys to look at this, and we're just gonna really gonna make this thing shiny. So let's go ahead and jump to that. So let's go ahead and start spraying. I'll show you guys how to do it. So first you want to go to Home Depot, get you a, oh yeah, heck yeah. I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get you some, what is this, metallic finish Rust-Oleum bright coat with this color looking. And that's what this finish is gonna be. So we're gonna have our very own chrome, So we'll go ahead and, I don't know how you guys are gonna see this, really don't know. But we're gonna try it out anyways, so hope you guys can see it all real good. Don't know if you can, but like we're gonna go ahead and do this. So yeah. Oh shoot! You're a dumbass. No, I'm not. All right, it's not on the paint. I should have thought of that first, but it's not on the paint. But I got this. So yeah, we're getting it pretty good. Looks real nice. Got our own chrome exhaust. And this is really Rust-Oleum paint, so it is not coming off, which is super good. And like, yeah, so you just want to get a real nice finish on it. So you're gonna get under here as far as you can and just spray. And if you really want to be classy, you really want to be smart, you cover up all this, which I mean I did a pretty good job because there's nothing on the truck except for dirt. Okay, so you guys probably couldn't see any of that, but I'm gonna bring you close, show you what it really looks like now. Looks brand new. It's chrome. We have our chrome exhaust tip. Now, you really want to be classy. You want people to come up and look, see all that dirt in there. So what we really want to do, what you want to do is, you want to spray inside. So, well, that's not good. But yeah, it's now you looking at it, it's all nice and shiny. outside shiny. So we have a very nice, delicately nice, brand new chrome exhaust tip. And we have our beautiful, ugly, lovable, courageous, hard-working, unreliable truck right here. So guys, we have more mods coming in this piece of lovable stuff. But guys, first mod, and you come back around here and you already see that thing shining. Oh god, oh my god, there's spray paint all on my hand. And it's on my phone. What the frick? How'd it get on my hand? I'll have to get that off. Looks like I'm gay. People gonna think I'm gay. I'm not about that life. Like, you come around the corner, you see that exhaust tip. Woo! They think we got money. Then we got power. Guys, oh fudge! Look at this. Guys, I hope you like this video and comment down below what you thought of it, and we'll have another video soon. I'm posting this today. Today's like Sunday. No, today's Saturday actually. The 5th, I believe. Guys, I hope you like this. Drop a like on it, comment down below what you thought of it, and subscribe if you're new. You want to see more truck mods, because that's only the beginning. Soon, we're going to paint the whole entire truck chrome. Sound a good idea? 1,000 subscribers, I'll spray paint the entire truck chrome. So, yeah. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.